Morning students, I Abhishek Soni, Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Shankar Vidyapit, Mount Abu, Siroi, Rajasthan. Students, topic is continue and the topic is models. Models. We have done 6 models in positive and negative both the expressions. Now we are doing the model would. Okay, would. Would is used with past habits. Past habits. For example, would you please bring me some fruits? Would you please bring me some fruits? Okay. Then polite request. Polite request. Would you kindly, here would is the model. Would you kindly close the door? So would, for closing the door you need to request someone. So would you kindly close the door? Then with probability. For example, that would be his mother. That would be his mother. Then with insistence. For example, it's your fault. You would pay the penalty. Insistence means to insist someone. किसी के ऊपर प्रेशर बनाना, दबाव डालना is known as insistence. So to in insistence, it's your fault. It's your fault. You have to pay the penalty. So you would pay the penalty in general terms. If you say by using the models, you would pay the penalty. In impossible conditions. Had he worked hard, he would have passed. Had he worked hard, अब किया होता ना तो पास हो जाता, he would have passed. तो वो टाइम जा चुका है, तो impossible condition है. Would not means in the negative form. So would not in short you also can write wouldn't. Would not you can write wouldn't. Negative way of expressing the use of would. For example, that wouldn't be his mother. That would not be his mother, या that wouldn't be his mother. Second, it's not your fault. You wouldn't pay the penalty. It's not your fault. You wouldn't pay the penalty. So this was the model would. Now we are doing with model may. Okay. The next model may be how we have already done with models may. Now we are doing with model must. Must is a strong condition. Must model is used to denote obligation, to denote duty, essential, mandatory, compulsory. किसी भी चीज की अगर एकदम स्ट्रिक्टनेस के साथ जरूरी है, anyhow you have to do that, you have to follow that condition, mandatory, essential, etc. These kind of conditions we use must. For example, every employee must follow rules. Every employee must follow rules. So it's mandatory to follow the rules. It's essential to follow the rules. It is compulsory to follow the rules. Then strong possibility. The lights are on. Somebody must be in the room. If the lights are on, then it's possible that someone might be there in the room. So the lights are on. Somebody must be in the room. Then with strong suggestion or advice. She must work hard to be in the merit list. She must work hard to be in the merit list. So it's a strong advice. Okay. Then with negative way of expressing must is must not. In short we can write mustn't. First condition is with prohibition. If किसी भी चीज पर अगर रोक है, रोक लगाना मीन्स प्रोहिबिट कर देना. प्रोहिबिशन इज निषेध इन हिंदी. समवेयर पार्किंग बोर्ड्स पे, पार्किंग लॉट में, पार्किंग एरिया जहाँ पर निषेध लिखा होता है, निषेध इज एक्चुअली मीनिंग ऑफ प्रोहिबिटेड. प्रोहिबिशन, you must not change the lane. So it is prohibited to change the lane. You must not change the lane. Then second condition is that lights are off, so she must not be in the room. If lights are off, lights are on, so possible that someone will be there in the room. So, and if lights are off, then it is possible that no one may be in the room. Okay, so lights are off, so she must not be in the room. In short you can write mustn't. Must, then not, a first and a first of is T, mustn't. Okay.